Hello, we are Planet eStream. You may already be familiar with us. You may already know that we are a unified media platform that supports the digital media strategy of over 2,000 schools, colleges and universities globally. Whether you're new to us or an existing user, we thought it might be worth us telling or reminding you about the tools and benefits that Planet eStream offers the educational community. Planet eStream provides a safe and secure environment for sharing content with students. A perfect solution for those looking to move away from the use of social video platforms for safeguarding reasons, persistent adverts or distracting links. Educators also benefit from a huge range of easy-to-use features for streamlining resources and enhancing the support for a blended and remote learning teaching model. They can add questions, annotations and documents to videos to deliver interactive learning resources. Host a virtual class. Find new resources from the Planet eStream Connect archive, a library of over 2 million TV and radio programs. Record from over 80 free-to-air channels, including overseas channels to support MFL subjects and courses. Record or live stream their lessons and make them available on demand. Track student activity and interactions with resources. Easily share their digital learning resources within their VLE, Microsoft OneNote or Microsoft Teams. Planet eStream is the only true unified platform for all of your digital media requirements and, in addition, provides tools for creating a dedicated video and image library, live streaming events and delivering engaging digital signage content to your displays. There are also dedicated room capture tools to create a centrally managed solution for lesson and lecture capture. Without the need of expensive hardware, Planet eStream is available directly through our dedicated Microsoft Teams app, giving users access via a single sign-on without having to leave the Microsoft Teams platform. This gives educators direct access to their Planet eStream toolset, making it easy to share their video-based learning resources within Microsoft Teams, set up a virtual class and more. Accessing Planet eStreams from within Microsoft Teams untaps huge potential and provides educators with simple yet powerful tools to enhance their teaching to improve student outcomes. But don't just take our word for it. Go ahead, download the Planet eStream app within Microsoft Teams and you'll see just what we mean. Or contact us directly to book an online demonstration.